Hey guys, I like that nice intro. Alright, here's another part of this TRC 457 sideband base station that I'm restoring on the bench of BCool Radios. What do you think? I'll go over some of the upgrades and work that's getting performed. As you can see here, I take this guy all the way down to the sheet metal and remove everything. Polish up those knobs, remove the weak components, take out that relay, make sure the contacts are polished, and even upgrade that pesky C179. Hey, take a look at this faceplate. That's the top chrome there. You see that? Yeah. You know, this is a 40-year-old radio, so pretty nice. Yeah, this is what the back of it looks like. Again, this guy looks brand new. What do you think? And just check out this circuit board. Nice and shiny. It's got that golden sheen that we all know means well taken care of. Now, for this radio, I'm doing some cool upgrades. You see that old digital clock there? Well, it was acting up. So, who needs a clock? I figured this guy needs a frequency counter. The problem is, these TRCs have a very small window for the clock. You see that? It's pretty small. Standard frequency counter module just won't fit in there. So that's why I had to build that custom daughter board using a 6-digit LED display board and then hand wire it up to the frequency counter module separately. You can see there we attached it very securely, and look at that, fits like it's supposed to. Another cool trick I learned is not to tie this into the IF offsets, because these TRCs with the D858 PLL chip, they have some crazy switching scheme between RX and TX and sideband and AM. So I learned that we can actually tie this frequency counter right into the PLL end gate and get straight end codes and convert them. Then you always know what channel you're on, what frequency band you're on, and no funky offsets. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It took some work to figure it out on this chassis. I've never done it with a D858. Also, you know, these are a little touchy to install without them screaming into the main board. I don't know if you ever tried to install a frequency counter, but I'll show you some of the things that BCool Radio does. On the back side here, you're going to see a 9-volt regulator. Yeah, so that 9-volt regulator pads down that 13 volts going to the frequency counter, and it really helps. We also use another resistor on the DC side. So those two combined really keep these things quiet, for those that want to know. Because at BCool Radios, I don't do this just for everybody. I want you guys to be able to work on these radios yourself. Yeah, I can't do everybody's work. No way. Alright, we're going to check this out. I'm going to turn it on, show you what we got here. Alright, there you go. Channel 40, 27405. Right now we're on AM, and you're going to see as I switch this over from AM to upper to lower, there's no change in that frequency counter. Yeah, that's pretty trick. And this guy has the high band over here. Let's turn that down a bit. And when I press the high band there you go. You see it, 27805. So very cool. So we've upgraded this radio, and we're going to put her back together, and we'll do another short video after that. Alright, 73s from BCool Radios, Seattle. What do you think? She's gonna be a beaut when I'm done with this one. Check out those meters too. Ah. Hey guys, as you can see there, in this video we've put the face back on. We've aligned up the LED frequency counter to fit that little tiny window of the TRC 457. Yeah, that's quite a feat by itself. So what do you think of this guy? Not bad for a 40-year-old radio, right? Yeah, we'll give you some nice close-ups. Check out that chrome. Hey, it's not perfect, but you know, there's 40 years of goodness in there. And check out this main board. Awesome. Awesome shape this radio is. There's that big old crystal filter, the 7.8 megahertz crystal that we enjoy in these D858 PLL CB radios. Old school. You can see we've upgraded that capacitor and the power supply. We took care of that pesky C179 capacitor down there. Yeah, we cleaned it up, polished the relay, tuned up this PLL section with an O-scope, get the proper waveforms. Yeah, real nice. But the real trick is this trick frequency counter that I had a hand build to take the 0.56 inch LEDs and shrink them down to 0.36 inch LEDs. Yeah, not for the faint of heart. But you can see I did a good job. It's built to last. But enough of the talking, right? It's time to turn it around and see what it looks like. Alright, here we go. Okay. As you see there, frequency counter goes right to the beat of the drum here. You can see how channel 23 really kind of messes up around here, right? Once you get to 26 though, goes back to normal spacing. get up to channel 40. And if you press the PA button over here, that gets you up to the high band. Takes you up to 27,805. So as you can see there, that's 40 up. Okay, let's see if there's any action on here. I just got this little hooked up to a small antenna, but there might be something out here. Yeah, Skip's not really coming in yet. I hear some people out there, but just way in the distance. But again, this is not really hooked up to an antenna, so. And as you see, when the radio's off, looks like it's stock. No funky holes. Yep, that frequency counter looks like it was built this way. Alright, we're going to get the top put on this and take some more pictures, and we'll post this thing to eBay. And again, hopefully I showed you guys enough steps around here that if you really want to do it yourself, you can do it. Because that BCool Radios, we were saying, working on radios is a lot of fun. Keep our radios the way they are supposed to be working. Alright, 73s, BCool Radios in Seattle, Washington. Yeah, that's one BCool radio.